Hi friends, good evening. Today it is 18th September 2022 and the time is 8:45. Today was a hectic day because of a lot of webinars. So the weekly forecast updates was a little bit delayed. Two interesting facts which I want to discuss in Nifty as well as in Bank Nifty. Okay, see, we already told you that we are in short from 17,946 and we are continuing our short and we don't have any short position in Bank Nifty and we are holding Nifty short position. Okay, so I don't want to bore you with a lot of charts because 1,000 YouTube videos are floating all around the world on Nifty and Bank Nifty. Charts. I don't want to go to the chart. Let's go to the numbers because last week our numbers was respected by the market to the core. So now we'll talk only about numbers. Okay, so numbers always do wonders. Okay, so this is my last week weekly forecast presentation performance video. You can go back and watch this video. And whatever we discussed in the down, I think it respected everything. So now we will go and talk about this month. And before going to my Excel sheet, I wanted to show you some two important factors which is going to have a major say in the coming days. Kindly make a note of it and try to use your own system and try to make some money out of it. If you make money out of it, then completely give a gratitude to market, say pranam to market. Okay, now let's go and see Nifty. So when you go to Nifty, this I already explained to my people many times. And when I connected this top, and I connected this top, okay, the next important date for Nifty is tomorrow. The important date for Nifty is tomorrow. So normally we don't we use trend change date. This is actually basic of finding the trend change date. We use our major trend change date to follow that 15 minutes high and low kind of a stuff. Even tomorrow you can definitely use this one 15 minutes high and low of Nifty. Wait for it to close the first 15 minutes candle. If it breaks the 15 minutes candle, simply buy with a stop loss of 15 minutes candle low and use your system to ride the trend. Okay, so the important date for Nifty is happening tomorrow based on the cyclic period which is already happened year and year. We call it as cause and effect. Okay, this is a cause and effect rule. And if you go to Bank Nifty, that is what interesting to me so much is what when we connected this top and this bottom which happened on 20th December, it has given us these observations 1, 2, 3 and 4. And if you see this, all these data points exactly captured the high or captured the low. So this date, this cycle from 25th October to 20th 20th December 21st December 2021, this cycle will have a major say in the next 10 years to 20 years to 30 years or till we live, because it started respecting exactly, it made a high year. So if you go here, and okay, let's take this. So if you go here, this was the exact high, and from there market corrected roughly around 11.5% to 12%, or maybe I'll show you how many percentage it fell. And if you go here, this was the exact top. From there it fell this much, and here this was the fall. Here it made roughly around 7.5% fall, and now this one, if you see, we made a phenomenal gain from this. This is where the bottom is formed, and from there the market moved like crazy. And the coming date is 23rd September for Bank Nifty. 23rd September, it is not only the cyclic date for Bank Nifty. Apart from that, is the major third yearly date for Nifty and Bank Nifty, and which I already mentioned in my PPT. So watch out 23rd September, especially for Bank Nifty. especially for Bank Nifty. And if you want me the trend change date for your life, all is here. You don't need astrology to predict market. This is here, and this will have a major say. Have a major say. You don't need too much of strategy to predict the market. The simple strategies will do wonders. Simple strategy will do wonders. So kindly use. See, even if you take, if I erase all this, let's see how much percentage this observation has given in the earlier stage. So now, if you go here, when I connected this top and this bottom, the fall from here, because none of the candle closed above the high of this candle. The fall from here was roughly around 16%. Which technical indicator will predict this? 16% fall. Okay, so now let's go here. Again, this is the date, and this date high is not taken out and low was taken out. And if you see, this is given more than 11% fall. Anyway, we are not going to cover at the bottom. I'm not telling that. I'm telling you how that date has given this kind of a fall. And when I connected this cyclic thing and see how market respecting that two connections. That is why 1,000 times I used to tell market is nothing but the repetition of the past. Understood? So now if you go here, again here, the fall to this point is 7.47%. And now if you go here where it made the bottom here on this date, from this bottom to till date, Bank Nifty is given more than 10%. Anyway, we are not going to exit here. But we exited here, that's based on some other rule. That's different issue altogether. But see how market respects. Even if you make 5% in a month itself is a big thing, no? So this one date of 23rd September, which is going to happen now, will rule till here, which is 16th November. That one day is enough. One day high and low is enough. But based on another formula, another workings, 23rd September high and low will lead even for next 1 year. Or it may be the support and resistance for next even 10 years. That's how market works. Don't think that market works on support and resistance and all that. No, the support and resistance will be created by the time. And that support and resistance will be respected by the market. Then the support and resistance which was drawn by many people, even I will use trend change, or I will use trend lines. But the predominant trend line which I use is what the time predicts. That is more authentic than the normal one. But I'm not giving, don't think that, I'm not giving importance to the normal trend line. It will work. But we work based on the time, support and resistance. And you have seen many times when I derive the best candle, not based on this strategy, based on another strategy, when we are able to derive the topmost next 1 hour candle, which is going to happen in the future, that acts as a support and resistance to the core. And I've mentioned about these 1 hour candles of many IT stocks, and I've already covered that in my IT video, and it is already there in my PPT. Kindly go and check how that 1 hour candle, which we predicted in the past, it worked like a magic in Infi, in TCS, in Mindtree, anything and everything. So market knows what is going to do now based on the past. Accept that, and we accepted it, and it is working mad. The rest is up to you. So enough is enough. So now let's go to the numbers. So now, okay, so now, as you already know that 24th August was the mega date last month. Till it doesn't close above below this low, we don't need to worry. We don't need to worry. And if you go back to my weekly presentation video, I would have given more and more importance to this date. So yesterday, that is on Friday, Nifty made the exact low of 17,499. But you can say that, no, there was a lot of option writers are there, put writers are there. That is why it has taken a support. That is all immaterial. That is happened late. This is happened on 24th August. And market respected this exact low, 17,499. And that is what I am writing in my PPT for the last 3 weeks after this 24th August is done. It respects to the core. This was the low. Until Bank Nifty is not going to close below this number, I am not worried. Even Nifty is not going to close below this number, I am not worried. Even though I am holding short, that's a different issue altogether. For a bullish perspective, I am not worried about unless and until market for this week. I'm telling, unless and until market doesn't close below this number, Nifty, I am not worried. Seriously, I'm not worried. I will definitely be worried when Nifty closes below 16,900 and 16,937. Only after that I will worry about Nifty. Till that time I am bullish in this market. I will use the opportunity when it comes to buy, and that too at the appropriate price with the stop loss. I'm again and again I'm mentioning with the stop loss. If the stop loss gets hit, I will be out of that trade, because I am not married to anything. So I will use my system, my numbers with the stop loss. Stop loss is mandatory for me, right? So this is a number. So now if you go to Bank Nifty, the Bank Nifty where it is standing now, and this number is too far. So now where is the next support for Bank Nifty? If you go here, based on monthly expiry, again it is too far for Bank Nifty. Again for the monthly game changer number, it is too far from here. So now if you go here, I would have given more importance to this number after the 1st September, when we derived this number on 1st September morning. This was the number which I gave, and Nifty future made the exact high in this number on 16th of September, but we predicted this number on 1st of September. So now this will act as a resistance for Nifty, but this will act as a support for Bank Nifty spot. So unless and until Bank Nifty doesn't close below 40,267, again I'm saying close below 40,267 on a daily closing basis, I am not bearish on Bank Nifty. And future number 40,410. I may take a call when it comes to 40,267. I will try to buy the Bank Nifty with 144 point stop loss. And when it comes to resistance, Nifty will face resistance here. Nifty future will face resistance here. Nifty again, when it moves up, Nifty spot will face resistance here. Nifty future will face resistance here. In case if you think all these numbers are confusing to you, then come back. I will give you only 2 numbers to trade for this expiry for the whole week, for the whole expiry. Above this number is bullish, below this number is bearish. Game over for this expiry. Game over. And today market is already below this level, so bearish. Today market is already below this level, Nifty bearish. Bank Nifty more or less. And Bank Nifty future more or less. So instead of, in case if you think that there are too many numbers, kindly ignore this sheet, get into this sheet. This is enough for you. This 2 number will have a major say. You don't need anything. This 2 number will take care of everything. And tomorrow morning, I will give another 2 numbers, 4 numbers for the expiry, 4 numbers for the week. So this can be used for the expiry, and the morning, which I'm going to give number for Nifty, all these 4, that is valid for the week till Friday. So Bank Nifty 17,445, 17,467. So if you go here, Bank Nifty, the Bank Nifty closed at 17,000. 777. And what is the closing? 17,745. So it has not given this number on a closing basis. Please understand that. That is the power of this number, and we derived this number on Friday morning, and it was communicated to you in your groups, in my Telegram channel. See how market respect this number. And last week the low was 40,502, and it exactly came and touched my number 40,872 and closed above 40,745. Mentioned here, this is the bearish number. It should not close below this bearish number for this expiry. So till Bank Nifty future and Bank Nifty is holding the bearish number. So it has not become bearish, but Nifty has become bearish already because IT and Reliance is not supporting Nifty. Okay, so now where is the resistance? The resistance is here. And if you go to Bank Nifty future, you will know how this number got restricted by the Bank Nifty spot. If you go to maybe I will go to the chart, then you will understand. If you go to Bank Nifty spot, so if I put the number, so it was trading below. It was trading below. I think one second. One second. 626, 626. Just a minute. I think I made some mistake. Anyway, not a problem. Anyway, not a problem. Okay, so these two number, Bank Nifty spot 41,441 will act as a major resistance for the coming week, and Bank Nifty future 41,626 will act as a major resistance for this week, unless and until it is not going to give this number on a closing basis. No need to go short in Bank Nifty. Try to be long in the Bank Nifty on a long side. If you want to go short, you can try going short in Nifty. But one condition is that Reliance is having a major date on 17, which is the yearly date. So Nifty also can do wonders from here if it holds the first 15 minutes high and low. Please understand the condition. If it holds the first 15 minutes high and low, or tomorrow's low. So mark, because tomorrow is the major day for Nifty based on cyclic day. Simply mark the high and low of tomorrow of Nifty. Break above tomorrow's high on the long side. Simply go long and break below tomorrow's low. Please be in short in case if you are in short. Otherwise, initiate the short with the stop loss of tomorrow's high. Hope you understood. Otherwise, kindly again listen to the video twice. Okay. So I'll give this number tomorrow. And whatever I explained here, I've already explained, and Nifty cyclic data I've explained, Bank Nifty cyclic data is explained. Until Nifty is below this number, which is my yearly number, which you all know, 17,576, it is bearish only, but it is holding 24th August low. 24th August low. The pivot is here, support is here, decider is here. So the pivot is here, decider is here, support is here. Kindly use it. Okay. And 17th, and we know 17th is a very important date for Reliance. And tomorrow, these are the counters which are coming into trend change date. My lookout is obviously Reliance, Coal India, because these two are yearly dates. And Britannia, LIC Housing, and Ramco Siemens are in blue color, which is definitely a major one. So kindly watch it. But I will concentrate on Reliance and Coal India for tomorrow. Okay. And coming to this number, Nifty close to below this one number magic. So I am still holding my short. If it closes above 17,655, I will initiate my long. I'm expecting in case this time, if it holds 17,655 on a closing basis, I'm expecting roughly around 18,132 in Nifty future for this expiry. Let's watch, fingers crossed. So now all these numbers are in bearish. So Nifty is definitely bearish. And weekly targets, PR is at zone, all is here. And stop loss is already given here. Kindly have a watch. Kindly have a watch. Okay. And Bank Nifty. So these two numbers is held, and once it crosses above this number, because now this is so far, so avoid this number, concentrate on only this number for the expiry. That is more than enough. Above this number is bullish, below this number is bearish. There ends the matter. There ends the matter. In case if it comes down, it will try to take the support at this number. I'm talking about Bank Nifty future and Bank Nifty spot. All these numbers are here. And last week it has done a miracle. It has done a miracle based on our numbers. Okay. And stop loss for Bank Nifty is 144 points. So this is for intraday. Those who want to take the snapshot, take the snapshot, trade based on this. We predominantly trade on 907 number, but this will definitely work. So nothing to worry about it. So we can take it for tomorrow. And this I've already explained. So after 17th, the Dr. Reddy is coming for trend change date. Then 21st is Dixon. 21st is Mukut Finance. 21st is Nestle. And you have another one sheet will be added tomorrow after this sheet is full. So that's all, nothing more to add on the graph. There are 1,000 graphs are available in the market on the YouTube videos. Kindly go and watch those and use my numbers in case if you want to know where the exact number to be entered. So that's all. Again, saying I'm not a SEBI registered investment advisor, so kindly do your homework or consult your financial advisors before taking any financial decision. Let's see whether the Motabai is going to turn the table tomorrow in Nifty from here on. See you soon tomorrow at 9:07. Good night. Bye.